With breaking updates coming in, Abhishek Banerjee's big claim saying West Bengal BJP MPs are in touch with the TMC, saying that we can arrange support for the India government. Remember, yesterday Tejasvi Yadav, as well as he landed in Delhi, said that the India bloc will try and form the government. A meeting had taken place in the national capital, after which it was decided that the India bloc will remain in opposition. Now, Abhishek Banerjee's big claim is that the West Bengal BJP MPs are in touch with the TMC and that he can arrange support for the India bloc. That's the claim coming in from Abhishek Banerjee. My colleague Sabir Sachi joining us with the details. Sabir Sachi, the India bloc does not have the numbers, but since the BJP has to rely a lot on the allies, such claims coming in could of course send jitters. Abhishek Banerjee claiming that the West Bengal BJP MPs are in touch with the TMC.
Well, absolutely. See, the India bloc, they don't have the numbers as of now, but yesterday itself, see, Mallikarjun Kharge has cleared it that they would take appropriate action at the appropriate time, and when the people of the country desire that they don't want to be under the rule of the BJP. See, meanwhile, Abhishek Banerjee is currently here in the national capital. He is at the residence of Akhilesh Yadav along with Derek O'Brien. See, a lot of strategies are being formulated, and at this point from the sources we got to know that Abhishek Banerjee, while he was present at the India bloc meeting at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence, clearly stated that if the alliance wanted that they should extend their numbers by talking with the alliance at this particular point, Abhishek Banerjee could also speak to some of the BJP MPs in the state of Bengal. He says that he is in touch with some of the MPs out there in the state of Bengal, and if the alliance needed, then he can speak to them and convince them to shift from the BJP towards the India alliance. See, at this particular time, the India alliance, be it Akhilesh Yadav or Abhishek Banerjee, all of these partners are actively looking at all the possibility how they can increase the numbers, how can increase the numbers of the India alliance to make sure that they go more and more close to the NDA. So these are all the strategies that are being discussed right now, but it will be definitely a big move from Abhishek Banerjee, who has claimed that he is in touch with 3 of the MPs from the state of Bengal, and he is in touch with them, and if the India alliance feel that more numbers are needed, then he can convince them to shift from the BJP towards the India alliance.
Okay, all right. So, in terms of numbers, there is not much to worry for the BJP, but since they are dependent on the allies, that's the reason for the worry. So, Mamata Banerjee's nephew, Abhishek Banerjee, claiming that the West Bengal BJPs are in touch with the TMC. That's a claim that he has made. And remember, such claims have come in from different parts of the country as well. In Maharashtra as well, similar claims had been made. As of now, though, for the BJP, not much to worry, because both the TDP as well as the JDU have said that they are extending support to the BJP, to the NDA government. So, Sabir Sachi, in terms of numbers, yes, not too much to worry, especially since JDU as well as TDP have said that they're extending support to the NDA. The letter of support has also been handed over. But there are also demands that are coming in from these allies who are saying that they need some of the ministry. So that conversation is still going on with the allies.
Well, absolutely. See, as far as the numbers are concerned, the BJP has nothing to worry, but the main focus would be on its ally partners. See, at this particular point, both JDU and TDP both have extended the support to the BJP. They stated that they would be with the BJP and they would form the government. But right now, the focus has shifted from the numbers to the portfolios that now the allies are asking for. See, for the JDU, an important meeting right now is going on at Nitish Kumar's residence, where the MPs of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha are currently present. Now, as per the sources, Nitish Kumar has instructed all the newly elected MPs to be present here in the national capital by today evening, ahead of an all-important meeting tomorrow that is going to take place of all the NDA partners. Now, from the sources, Nitish Kumar clearly has asked for the Railway Ministry as well as the Jal Shakti Ministry, which the JDU
demands
feels
have
from
come
the
in.
state.
The question is, what will the BJP do? Stay with us.